My name is Palak and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special video. It is going to be a stretching and breathing flow. In this one, we'll be doing some light stretches and a short breathing routine to help you feel relaxed. I am super ready and super excited for this one. Let's get started.
Start by sitting in a comfortable place, preferably on a mat. Gently close your eyes. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed, away from the ears. And just breathe there, relaxing your body, relaxing your mind. Just focus on your breath gently. From there, just place your palms on your shoulders and rotate your shoulders back, opening up your chest. Keep breathing alongside and really make big circles with those elbows, rotating your shoulder all the way back. Open up your chest and feel the rotations, feel the stretch around your shoulders and your arms. Keep breathing alongside, and from there change direction, moving it forward. Keep going in there, rotate and breathe. Try to even get your elbows closer towards each other and relax. Take a long deep breath in and breathe out through your mouth. Relax your body. Now we're going to gently rotate our neck on the right side, making big circles all the way, and keep breathing. Open up your neck, shoulders, your upper back, and keep rotating that neck to release all that stress. Rotating the other side now, and breathe all the way back. Big circles there, releasing all the stress, all the tension in your neck and your upper back. Very gently come back to the center and hold your ear and stretch your neck there. Now other side, hold your ear gently and feel the stretch in your neck. Looking up, pressing the chin up gently. Looking down, pressing the head down gently. And coming back to the center. We'll move on into the cobra position. For this you need to lie down on your stomach, placing both the palms on the side of your chest. Very gently from there, coming up. Now make sure your shoulders are away from the ears, chin up, and feel a good stretch in your core. Look down, going down towards the ground time, breathe in and stretch up. And very gently from there, leaning down towards the ground. One more time. And breathe in, up. Feel the stretch in your core. From there, very gently place your hips on the back of your heels and just extend those arms completely. Walk with your fingers and hold this stretch for 10 seconds. Relax your body, relax your mind. Just stay there for 10 seconds and keep breathing. We're gonna come in the cat-cow position from there. Expanding our spine, looking up, breathe in. And breathe out, round your back and look at your navel. One more time, breathe in, look up and breathe out, round your back. Breathe in, look up. Feel that stretch in the spine and breathe out, round your back. Really mobilizing that spine. Take one hand up from there and look at your palm. Slide it down gently, keeping your shoulder and your head on the floor. Hold it for a few seconds. Breathing. Coming back to the center. Change other side. Look at your palm. Sliding it down. And stay there a few seconds. Slowly coming back to the center. Sit there and just breathe. We're gonna take one leg forward and just hold it there for a few seconds. Make sure your front leg is at 90 degrees. Your back is straight. Breathing there. Now we lean back as much as you can. Join both the hands and stretch your back. Coming forward. Other side. We're going to gently lean back. Breathe in and engage your core there. Don't arch your lower back. Keep the stomach tight and all the way back. We're going to come into the butterfly position. Soles of the feet together. Back straight and gently flap those knees. Keep breathing alongside. From there, just place one hand on your belly and as you breathe in, feel the air coming in your belly, and as you breathe out, feel the belly contracting. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in through the nose, feel the belly expanding, and breathe out, feel the belly contracting. Breathe in through the nose, focus on your breath, and breathe it all out. Feel the belly moving. the center, relax there. Now sit in a comfortable position. Very gently fold the first two fingers of your palms and take the last two fingers, put it on your left nostril and close your right nostril with your thumb. Now we're going to breathe in through the right nostril and close it. We're going to breathe out through the left nostril. I'm going to repeat this process for a few counts. Breathing in from the left side, close the nostril, breathing out through the other nostril, breathing in, close, and breathing out, breathing in, close, breathing out, breathing in, close, breathing out, breathing in, and breathe out, relax, come back to the center. Stay there in silence, relax your body, relax your mind, relax your face muscles, bring a smile to your face. Very gently rub your palms together, keeping your eyes closed, placing those palms on your face, feel the warmth, and gently open your eyes.
I hope you guys like this flow. If you like it, please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.